Hey, I'm Jerry Vino. Wanted to share with you three quick reasons why I believe this is absolutely the best package and the best deal of the year so far. And the very best reason is the first reason, and that's because this can change your life. This 6 weeks can give you the master key, that calm, clear mind, that focus can become the master key that will unlock your potential for more success, better relationships, better success in your profession, more happiness, more calmness, less stress, less anxiety, better sleep. All that in just 6 weeks can be yours. And reason number two, pretty good reason also. This is absolutely the best price and the best package I've ever offered. There's more bonuses and there are more hours in this package at a better price than anything I've offered all year. Great way to go into 2021. And speaking of 2020, has there ever been a year that we need to focus on letting go more? Yeah, cut the ties, learn the lessons, and then just leave the baggage behind. This is the perfect time to do that, and this is the perfect package to give you the tools and the mindset to do exactly that, to leave 2020 behind, let it go, gently release that energy, and move into 2021 powerfully with purpose and with the right goals in mind. So there you have it, three reasons why this is my favorite package and I think the best deal of the year. If you have any other questions about the package, there's a little chat bubble right down there in the corner of the screen. Your questions will come directly to me and we can just talk about it one-on-one. Again, thanks for stopping by and I hope to be working with you soon.